Hello guys, ngayong araw ay mag-a-update ako ng mga hiring ng bawat agency. Dahil guys, may bagong hiring, ito po ay manpower pooling. Pwede po kayo mag-walk-in dito sa Peridot International Resources. Meron silang mga bagong hiring ngayon para po ito sa mga civil drain layers, drainage workers. Ayan guys, At meron din po silang mga carpenter. Ayan. Ang kailangan nila dito guys ay meron kayong 5 years experience. Ayan. Meron ditong carpenter, must have experience in working in commercial projects such as small, high-rise building, airport, hospital, university, and etc. To able to carry all the aspect of the build from the start finish work. Okay guys, dito guys, meron silang iba't ibang carpenter na kinukuha. Bali, 10 carpenter dun sa tagagawa ng mga cabinet. Ayan. Yung isa, 30 naman na carpenter para sa mga gumagawa ng mga malls, high-rise building. Okay guys, At meron din silang mga carpenter na gumagawa naman ng mga concrete placing, finishing, curb, slip form, steel tying, civil carpenter po yun. Marami po ito guys at bound po ito sa New Zealand. Ilalagay ko guys yung page ng Peridot International Placement Agency. Meron din po sila guys mga civil drain layers. Kailangan po nila dyan ng 10. Ayan, no fees in any form and or purpose will be collected from the applicants. Yun po yung nakalagay sa kanila. And then, meron din silang drainage workers. Ayan, at least 5 years experience abroad and working in the civil and roading industry. Alongside qualified drain layers, creating poles and trenches, digging with shovels and confined space work, operating civil machinery like rollers, compactors, dumpers with driver license. Meron din po sila guys para sa nag-aabag ng mga trabahong excavator operator. Ang kailangan nila dito ay may 5 years experience abroad and have range of skill from bulk earthworks foundation, preparation on final trim and final cutting, including cumbers for roads, civil drainage, including placing concrete and PVC. Okay. Ayan guys yung mga latest hiring ng Peridot International Resources. At ilalagay ko rin guys aking screen yung kanilang kung saan kayo mag-i-email. Para makapag-email kayo. Pwede rin kayo guys dito walk-in. Naman guys, sa Skyborn International, ganun pa rin guys, meron pa rin sila mga hiring ng mga male factory worker. Ang age po na kailangan nila dito ay 20 to 30 years old. At ito po ay bound sa Chunan, Taiwan. Ang salary po nila dito is 47,000 pesos. College graduate at meron po silang height limit na 165 cm and above, weight 80 kilo and below, with factory experience, preferably with machine operator experience, must be computer literate, preferably with working experience in high-tech companies, first time to work in Taiwan, ex-abroad or Taiwan can apply. No break contract for ex-Taiwan. Bawal po mag-apply yung may break contract sa kanila. Guys? Ayan. At meron din sila, para naman sa babae, TYN Tech Corporation, female factory worker bound to Taiwan. Location naman ito ay sa Miaoli, Taiwan. Basic qualification, 20 to 33 years old, 2 years vocational and college graduate, with factory experience, height 155 cm and above, weight 40 to 60 kilo, preferably machine operator, no left-handed, must be right-handed. Okay ha? First time to work in Taiwan, ex-abroad, ex-Taiwan, no break contract can apply. Ex-Taiwan must still have 7 years left to work in Taiwan. Meron pa ulit sila, male and female factory worker bound to Taiwan. Location naman ito ay Taoyuan, Taiwan. Basic qualification, 20 to 30 years old. Vocational or college graduate. Height, male and female. For male, 165. For female, 155 cm. Weight must be proportion to height, preferably with factory experience. Must have good eyesight, no tattoo, no ex-Taiwan, no ex-abroad. First time to work in Taiwan can apply. So, ayun guys, yung bagong latest ng Skyborn International Incorporation. Dito guys, kailangan nyo mag-walk-in, ano? And then, dito naman tayo guys sa staff house. Yan, para sa mga nagtatanong ng, yan guys, kanina, ibinigay ko na yung bagong hiring ng staff house para po ito sa Plant Quality Controller Officer, Plant Quality Assurance Officer, Logistic and Warehouse Operator, Senior Maintenance Technician, Production Technician, Raw Material and Packaging Warehouse Operator. Ang qualification nila dyan guys ay must have at least 3 years relevant experience in pharmaceutical company, high school or vocational graduate. Staff House International Resources po yan guys. Ano? Dito guys, dito ko nakita para sa mga gusto mag-apply ng mga forklift operator bound to Saudi Arabia. Dito ko po nakita yung mga forklift para sa mga gusto with 2 years related experience, preferably with employment certificate and school credential with driver license restriction number 1238. Okay guys, para sa may mga katanungan dyan guys, pwede nyo puntahan yung kanilang page para ma-check nyo din. Tilang guys, sana makatulong tong video na to, lalo na sa ating mga kababayan na gusto mag-apply abroad. Ayan guys, 3 po yung binigay ko. Meron po dyan bound to New Zealand. Yan po ay para sa mag-a-apply. Peredot po ang agency. Bound to Taiwan, Skyborn International. Bound to Saudi Arabia, Staff House International Resources. Okay, 3 lang yan guys muna yung binigay ko at sana makatulong yan. Pa-share, pa-like at pa-follow na rin po ng aking account para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga video ang ginagawa. Thank you very much guys. Thank you very much. Ayan. God bless. Bye.